Okay. Things are happening today. I'm gonna remove my cotton ball because it's not about me today. It's about planning our trip south. For that, we are calling Mr. Chris Parker. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who he is. I don't know why you're so dark. Ooh. I'm sure a lot of people know who Chris Parker is. We want to give him a go and get just another point of view, another advice, another set of eyes, another brain into our trip south. So we're gonna call him with you guys. You're gonna be a part of the conversation. You're gonna hear what he has to say. It's not about my ear today. It's about Chris Parker. It's about making bread. We're gonna make bread today. Not this kind of bread, but literal bread. Max is becoming a baker. So let's do the first thing. Chris Parker. I want to understand from Chris Parker what the reasoning is, and so you can hear what the deal is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, this is Chris.
Hi Chris, this is Manu and Max's partner.
Yes, how are you?
Good, how are you?
We got your email.
So with the departure on Monday the 29th, the wind will still be east-northeast to east. That's not toward the Caribbean, but it will get you underneath the high-pressure ridge. And hopefully the waves are not totally on our nose, but it's gonna be okay. It will be a little bumpy, but
What are you thinking? You seem a bit anxious.
I just don't know if I want to motor that long.
Because of the engine?
Yeah, it's such a risk to keep an engine going for 4 days.
Yeah.
I totally share Max's
concern.
But I think let's
Okay, so you probably didn't catch a lot of that because Max doesn't know how to multitask and film and have a phone conversation at the same time. What can I say? So I'll debrief you later today. Right now, I'm gonna hit the bed and sleep because this ear infection is not gonna go away itself. I need to rest my body.
Just got back from spearfishing. I was tired. It's 5:30. I left at 2. A few schoolies. That was it. I've already filleted them, cleaned them up. They're in the freezer. It's gonna be for dinner. And Manu's been sick all day, so she's in here. She's in here, sick. As always, sickness never sleeps.
I'm not sick. I'm mentally so ready to live my life.
She's sick. So we'll leave her in there. I'm cooking bread. I'm gonna make just a white bread. That's my second time making it, so just baby steps. I gotta get the flow of how to do it first until I start making sourdough and all those things. But I'm knackered. We're gonna make some bread and then we're gonna cook dinner. So I don't have much yeast. I'm using pizza dough yeast. Stick it in there with some water and foam up with some sugar in there. We'll see. It's not bubbling. I think it's working. All the ingredients are mixed. And we're gonna leave it out here to rise.
I'm gonna put myself together. I wanna say
you
hello.
need to go back to sleep.
I just wanna reassure everyone I'm okay.
Back to sleep.
I'm okay, I just need to rest. Everybody's been telling me, stop running around, don't go on dinghies, don't go into town, just sit your butt into bed. You know what
Guess
though?
what happens? I shoot more fish than I've ever shot.
Yeah, you crushed it, babes. I'm proud of you.
Always wear a wetsuit, guys.
Don't show your pee-pee.
Yeah, let's pretend we love each other.
Thanks for making bread. Can I see? Oh, there's a hair in there.
Not my hair.
Yeah, it's yours. I remember how I told you that we were going to explain to you our trip south. Well, kind of skipped up on that and I'm doing it now this afternoon.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, he hit his head again. Oh no. This fridge is unforgivable. Anybody else bangs their head on this fridge every time?
I don't bang my head. The fridge fucking falls on my face.
Okay, so while Max gets all riled up, we are planning our trip south and we decided to contact Chris Parker as you saw, and so there's different routes that we're gonna take. Given the fact that we don't have a big My hands are not doing anything here. Given the fact that we don't have a lot of gas tank capacity, we might have to stop in Turks and Caicos, and we can't really do 7 days in a row. It's not really safe. So we're probably gonna stop in Turks, and the weather also doesn't allow to do the I-65 as smoothly as we wish we would be able to do. So we're gonna stop in Turks and Caicos and then sail all the way down there, and then probably motor a bit of the way, motor sail from Turks and Caicos to the Caribbean islands. So we'll see. Weather changes every so often, so who knows? Who knows what the future holds? But Klaus is getting his butt here, so we'll be three, and we'll be a crew of 3 people sailing down there, which is pretty reassuring, don't you think?
I would have done it myself, I think.
Yeah, Max said he could have sailed there by himself.
Can you eat this if there's all this stuff going on it?
Also, do we enjoy our 3rd crew member? We have a 4th crew member. It's called, what's his name? What's my pimple's name?
I don't know, Maurice?
Okay, yeah, I like that. This guy is Maurice. He's really been enjoying his stay here. Doesn't want to go away, so say hello to Maurice.
These potatoes are really bad.
Can you eat potatoes when they look like this?
Well, no, they're all mushy. But the problem is, we just leave them there. We have to put them in the dog spot.
Yeah.
So moldy potatoes.
I am so notorious for doing this even back in Brussels.
Yeah.
I would have bags of potatoes, and they would grow, and actually I probably have pictures of really cool growth of potatoes. C'est trop stylé. Genre lui il est vachement cool quoi. Regarde, on dirait du corail. I think it looks pretty cool.
I think it's disgusting.
Okay, well you're in just a grumpy old mood. Okay, anyways, we'll catch up with you guys later.
Mojo, mojo, mojo.
People ask me to.
I think my 2 favorite words are, or babe, it's ready. My 3 favorite words are, babe, it's ready.
Babe, it's ready.
Here we go.
Make sure not to show my penis. Please.
You said that so articulately. I've been using this fan to keep it nice and dry in there. No moist. I hope I don't become the ear infection girl. Okay, well, I'm gonna have this food, guys. I had to make that noise because Max was looking at me like this.
No.
Is it good? Is it good? It is, it's delicious. How are we feeling now?
Tired, exhausted.
Yeah.
Non-stop all day.
Max was a little sad because our friends left.
No, I'm not.
He's a social butterfly.
Just want to get going, you know. I want to be in the Caribbean already.
Yeah.
Stuck while all your friends are off, you know. It's a bad thing.
But we're not stuck. Look at where we are. Look at around you. It's pretty special.
Very special.
I get it though. I feel
Beautiful day.
Guys, that dough has risen. Risen. Look at that. Look at that. He had to make 2 loaves. Anyways. What's happening here, Mr. Baker?
I bring in the water.
You want to hear a story? We had a bet, and what was on the line was a 25-minute massage. Guess who lost and had to do the 25-minute massage?
You, obviously.
That's right. It was me. I got it all wrong. I got it all wrong.
Dog's name. I can remember one of our favorite dogs' names.
Yeah, we were betting on. We used to pet sit a lot in Austin just because we couldn't adopt a dog because we were gonna do this and didn't want to have the responsibility of the dog. So we pat sat a lot of dogs. Pat sat. We did a lot of pet sitting for dogs, and we had one dog That was the sweetest little
Yeah.
mix between American pit bull, staff, whatever. He had a missing eye. I thought his name was Bandit, and Max said it was not Bandit. Yeah, it was not Bandit. It was Odie. So I lost that bet. I miss Rover. We did Rover. You guys know Rover? It was fun. I miss doggies.
Yeah, we're gonna get a dog.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know, but not while we're on the boat.
Yeah, I can't wait to get a Labrador. I mean, a golden retriever.
Hey guys, watching Clarkson's farm. The bread is ready and it is so good. It's more like a ciabatta, don't you think? It's really good. What do you think?
It tastes good. It tastes better than my last one.
He had the measurements a little wrong last night.
Well, I just didn't understand with the yeast how that works.
Yeah, he put two full packs of yeast, and you're supposed to like use just a little bit.
So it just tasted of yeast.
It tasted like yeast. Okay, let's resume to Clarkson's farm. It's the next day. We have, what do we have to say?
Nothing.
We had breakfast with our neighbors from Kima, actually.
Who turned up yesterday?
Yeah, they turned up in the anchorage here in Spanish Wells yesterday, so we did a little breakfast, reunion breakfast. And Max is going spearfishing.
I just found some nice little spots along the wall right here, like 100 feet away, so I'm just gonna nip in.
Max, the most important thing in life is what?
Safety.
No, yes, and also?
Manu.
You want to go to 6-8?
Manu, yeah, and what else?
I don't know.
Having fun. So you go and do that, okay?
Yeah.
I just saw a video where they were eating popcorn and that just instantly triggered the popcorn crave. So here we go, having popcorn at, what time is it? Here's everything I put in my popcorn. Paprika, nutritional yeast, and salt. And normally I do it with oil, but look, we're out of oil, so it ain't happening. Oh, I could use our beef tallow. Beef tallow. Let's do that. So, oh, there it goes. It's popping. It's popping. Do you hear it? By the way, Maurice is still there. Say hello, Maurice. Yeah, he's not going anywhere anytime soon, so let's just love him and accept him for who he is. Too much. I knew it. Whoop. Oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? It's really crazy. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I think we're good. Now, seasoning time. Nooch. I love my nooch. Mix it all together. Oh yeah. I'm sorry if this is gonna make you wanna have popcorn. You can pause this video and go make yourself a bowl. Yeah, I just ate that one from the floor. Little update. We are in Spanish Wells waiting for Uncle Klaus to arrive and the weather to be good so that we can go. Gonna top off propane, gonna do the last bit of spearfishing we can, gonna go grocery shopping. Ooh! Oh. Okay, gonna go grocery shopping and I don't know why I'm blanking. Oh, fill up the water tanks. But yeah, I'm excited about this new chapter and heading to the Caribbean. I really wonder what it holds for us. I'm excited to get this ear cleared up. Today's a bit better. And if you saw the reel, that was before the development. That is that after I finished that 3-day treatment that I thought was gonna help, well, it came back. So she prescribed me another 14 days, which is what I'm doing now. I still have a few days to go. Today is the first day where I feel a little better. But I just gotta sit my butt down and rest because every time I go out, I'm exhausting myself and I'm not allowing my body to heal properly. Ugh. Anyways, that's enough blabber. I'm gonna go back to bed.
Javelinton Football Club. It's a small village and I just thought rather than have them all...
Max is back from his spearfishing and he's gonna update us all. How was it?
Why do my hands stink of fish and I didn't get any fish?
Your gloves?
Nothing. Didn't hear anything. Huge mutton snappers. Tried 2 huge ones. And they like, until I looked at them, they were fine. They were sitting behind me, I guess just waiting to see if I got anything. I looked behind to see them. And and he runs away. Just huge stingray, bigger than me.
Really?
Those things are beautiful. The way they, that swimming thing is so unique in the world. I think, like, you know, manta rays even go like that. Stingrays are like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. You said the advantage of not getting fish is you don't have to clean them.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make more bread?
Yeah.
Yay.
We need more yeast.
So the bread was so good yesterday. It's gonna become a daily bread making channel.
No.
Look at that cutie patootie.
2 cups of warm water. We're meant to do it twice a week. It's just you eat all the bread so quickly.
I eat the bread.
Manu ate all my bread and like
You ate the bread.
it just went like that. My bread. Okay, so first ingredient is yeast. Tablespoon. And then we have to add 2 cups of water. Now we let it sit for 10 minutes.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'm glad I came in for this one. Oh, so loud.
Okay, so we have our yeast. It's bubbling. You can see the bubbles.
No.
Little bubbles here and there.
Oh yeah, I do. I see the bubbles.
Now we add the flour. So we're gonna add 2 scoops. You know
I have a
what?
stain here, by the way, because I drank water, and apparently I don't know how to drink water properly. So this
You know
is
what?
a water stain.
You have different meals
Whoa,
throughout
whoa,
the
whoa!
day.
What are you about to do?
Use a spoon.
You didn't even wash it.
I don't need to wash it.
Max, smell it.
So it's fine.
No.
It smells completely fine.
Here she goes.
Not as
She's on the kneading station. Can I try?
no. Mu papazzi. Quanto stai? Quanto stai? Paporuzzi.
Would you say you're needy?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Look at how it's risen.
Look at her. I'm gonna have to get her out onto this. It's a better one. It's less
Really?
salty.
So fluffy. Look at that flip. Oh yeah. Oh, you crushed it. This is so homely. Like I'm getting feelings of comfort and cozy and you know what? We're probably gonna eat that in one day.
Yeah. We've now become people that eat all those. Can you imagine just eating a loaf of bread a day?
Are you coming to say goodbye?
Hello.
Not hello, goodbye. Okay.
Hello.
It's the evening. We're going to
Sleep.
watch Clarkson's Farm. It's been a baking bread video. It's been a updating you on our route. A little ear infection update too. It's been a very chill video.
We're gonna be eating a loaf of bread a day.
Catch us next video where we become a loaf of bread. So, see you next week. Bye. Thank you for watching.